When you're developing a mobile app or a website, this one skill will save you a lot of tokens. It's very important to understand how to fix bugs when you run into them. Using the wrong workflow or technique will waste a lot of tokens and a lot of times and often be very frustrating. And as a software engineer at a Fortune 500 company, I find myself vibe coding mobile applications and websites all the time. So in this short video, I'm going to tell you my entire workflow for fixing bugs. The first piece of advice is always take screenshots. When you see an error on the console or in front of you or anything related to a front end or a back end, take a screenshot of it. If you see text where it's not supposed to be, if you see a button that's not colored the way you want, if you see any elements that look odd, take a screenshot of them and always tag them in your window. The second piece of advice is look at your console. If you're developing a website, look in your console by right-clicking, go into inspect, clicking on console, and look at every red highlighted text that you could find and try to fix them with your AI agent. If you're developing a mobile application, these will often be on your console in your terminal. My third piece of advice, always retrace your steps and tell your AI the exact steps you took in order to produce that error. That will give the AI a better idea of exactly where to pinpoint that error and find a fix for it. And last but not least, always tag documentation with your solution. If your error is related to Supabase or React, for example, search for React and Supabase documentation related to that specific error, and it will help your AI one-shot that problem very easily. Follow for more vibe coding tips from a software engineer.